Another case video on the channel. Yeah, I know, that's crazy, but you guys seem to actually like them more than any of my other type of videos. So today we're going to be taking a close look at 2025 Singles Case R, which has a new Thailand variant of Pit Crew member Sarge, and a few other new Thailand variants amongst this case. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the contents of the case. So, here we have a Logan Gearson, which is one in this case, a very nice new model for 2024 and a carryover for 2025. Model T, I absolutely love the artwork that they chose for him. It's a shame that he doesn't sell too well over here in the UK, but I hear in the States he sells a lot more easier than other places, so that's nice. And on the back we can see this is European packaging, so it is not the same as US, Canadian and Australian. This is just, you know, other countries. This is what we get, so we only get the one car on the back and just a bunch of other languages as well. So yeah, that is a Logan Gearson. There is one of him in the case. In this case there is two Road Trip Lightning McQueens, and this is the 2023 variant onwards. So yeah, and again, as I have mentioned previously, he is peg warming a little bit over here in the UK, but not too badly. I guess he's still selling for £4, which is a nice decent price, and he is of course the one with the base holes. And on the back, again, like I said, there is no other cars, so if I don't show the back of the cars too much in this video, then you guys know why. There is one Filmore in this case. Now, this card is actually, I think, slightly different to his previous releases, because if you guys know, there is the card variant where it's a Pit Crew member Filmore where the gas canister or the fuel pump is on the side here, like his drinks can, and for some reason the 2025 card onwards, I believe, doesn't have that on the blister, which is actually a lot easier to store these guys now, so that is a nice bonus. But yeah, Filmore is in this case, and there's only one. Again, as you can see, this is 2025 card, just the one. So there is one Cars 1 Lightning McQueen in this case. Nothing too special, just your basic Rusty's 95 Lightning McQueen from Cars 1. But there is also one Lightning McQueen with Rusty's sign in this case. So if you want a Lightning McQueen, then I'd go for this one instead of this one, because at least for the same price you get a bonus sign and the artwork is slightly different. So of course I have both of these because I am a completist, but if you are just a genuine collector and you want to start off your collection, then I'd say go for this one, because you get a bonus sign for no extra cost, and of course he is the variant with the base holes. So yeah, I would get this one over this one unless you are a carded collector. There is two Rusty's Lightning McQueens in this case. I don't know what it is, why Mattel keep reintroducing the intro version of Cars 3 McQueen. I would like to see the Florida 500 one back, or even the Rusty's Racing Centre McQueen back, because the 2022 variant with the base holes with the Rusty's McQueen is actually quite hard to get hold of. I should say the Rusty's Racing Centre McQueen. But yeah, there is two of this guy in the case. Not too much to talk about. Again, just has the base holes. So a new variant onwards from 2023. And again, there is the back of the package, the original Chinese promo image. Nothing too much to talk about there. One that I am happy that's in this case is Chris Freightman. You wouldn't have the new for 2025 logo or 2024 logo in there, but this is the UK card, so it doesn't make a difference to UK collectors. But yeah, this is one of the newest molds that they've made from Thailand since, like, what, you can't even include Bosco, because Bosco, I guess, is the same mold as Tony Motorfelt. And yeah, so this is the first new mold we've gotten in ages, so that is nice. And again, this is actually his 2024 card variant, because the copyright, the recycling logos on the back are different. This is how I can tell as a UK collector what's 2025 card. So this is the 2025 McQueen. You can see it goes like this. This is 2024, so it's like this. But Just so for the sake of it, I'm saying this is the 2025 card, but it is actually the 2024 card. So, a new Thailand variant in this case is JW. Pretty nice one. Again, I have mentioned before, I have reviewed him on the channel already. So, a pretty nice new Thailand variant. He was cancelled in 2019, I believe, or 2020, just before the switch over to Blue Desert. So I'm glad that we finally got his release. Very nice stuff. And this one is US packaging, because I couldn't find him over here in the UK at the time. So on the back we've got Daryl Cartrip, we've got Mario Andretti, Dexter Hoover Green Flag, Christina Wheeland, Crew Member Sarge, which there, and Mater of Sign. So yeah, all of those cards aren't in this case, obviously, but it is nice to see him on as a new Thailand variant. One I'm getting kind of fed up about now is the Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. Like, do we really need this one back? No, not really. She's starting to peg one a little bit here in the UK. So I would like it if we got the Dinoco version back. Again, there is the package. Not too much to talk about. The one I am happy that is back is Cave Mater. He's one of my favourite releases from 2024. Obviously, like I've mentioned multiple times, he wouldn't have the new snipe in the logo there if this was US card, but no, it is not. Yep, Cave Mater in a bunch of different languages. Really do like his expression. Would have been nice if they put a Cave McQueen in this case, because then you could get the both. Yep, 2025 card. So not too much to talk about him there. A 2024 new Thailand variant was Komodo. I really do like the metallic green on him. Looks way much more better. And no, it's not an error, guys. The Tokyo Mater artwork is always on the packaging for the cartoons die-casts, or whichever Mater was featured in the short. So like Monster Truck Mater would have the Monster Truck Mater, and if you got a release of, I know, Freightman McQueen, you'd get the picture of Mater. Which, yeah, that's just a shame. But yeah, I really do like the Thailand variant of Komodo. And again, on the back of the packaging, this is just the 2025 version. So, he's pretty cool. A new Thailand variant of Christina Wheeland, which is actually way much more better than the China version, because she is metallic and metallic purple. So we've got on a Vietnam, China and Thailand version now, because she is in an 11 pack with the Finish Line Lightning McQueen, and My Name Is Not Chuck with Cart from Vietnam, Krusty Roadrunner. Yeah, that pack is kind of hard to get hold of now. I wish I got that back when it was first released. Yep, there she is, and there is the back of the packaging. I do apologise for that cut there, guys. I had to take my phone down to get a parcel and show them a code, but yeah, we'll get into that parcel in a few days time. That parcel is something incredibly special. But yeah, on the back of the packaging of Christina Wheeland, we got the same cards as we did as JW. So yeah, a pretty nice new Thailand variant. And speaking of a new Thailand variant, we've got the Pit Crew Member Sarge, which should be, I believe, Pit Crew Member Sarge. I believe it's a different name, but yeah, that's what's confusing me a slightly little bit. But yeah, he is technically a new Thailand variant, just because of the little fuel gas bit there. Yeah, a boring old Thailand variant. I do already have one opened up, but yeah, just yeah, not too much to talk about. But on the back of the packaging, there is different cars. We've got Floyd Mulvihill, Jonathan Wentworth, Donna Pitts, Hydraulic Purple Ramon, and Chuck Armstrong and Lightning McQueen with Sign. The Chuck Armstrong, they have always used that mould, and Purple Ramon in 2025 card is actually going to be quite hard to get hold of by the end of the year if you haven't already got him. But luckily I've got two of him, so I am sweet for that for now. In this case, there is two Thailand versions of Ernie Gearson, which was a new Thailand variant in the first case of the year, or the second case of the year, I should say. Yep, there is two of him in this case. The Spearmint Piston Cup Racer, again, a pretty nice Thailand version. On the back of the packaging, this is just the, Chinese, the original promo image. Yep, glad to see him back in cases. He's still selling at the moment. Just can't wait to get Brian Shield and Eugene Karbarovsky to complete the Thailand Piston Cup collection, because Mattel probably won't release the other two anytime soon. So there is 2 of those in the case. Another one, there is 2 in the case, is a GRC at Jackson Storm Global Races Cup. Nothing too special, but glad he is back in 2025, because his 2024 version was a little bit harder to get. And of course, if you are a US collector, Australian collector, it won't have the new for 2024 snipe in the corner there. And you can also tell by the 2 codes in the top there. Yeah, this is just UK packaging, so nothing on the back. Another new Thailander variant in this case is Kyandee. I always get her mixed up with Cho. I always used to call her Cho and Cho Kyandee, but I've sort of gotten used to that now since the release of her Thailand version. Kyandee is orange, just remember that. And I sort of have yet a new Thailand variant, which I have again reviewed on the channel, with all 4 new Thailand variants in this case. And you can see Tokyo Motor artwork there. And this one also I couldn't get hold of in the UK, so I had to get it from the States. And you could tell there is 2 on the back of the packaging, Kyandee and Komodo. And when Show comes out, they will have all 3 on the back of the packaging, which they should do, at least. Coming down to the last few cars now, Winford, Bradford, Rutherford, the guy that beat Prime McQueen, which is not actually true. It is just a Cars Wiki sort of situation, but it could be true. I mean, one day Pixar could tell us all the Piston Cup champions. Yep, there's the nice artwork for Winford, the Art Cars 1 RPM racer, and on the back just him. There is also another Piston Cup racer in this case, in the name of Chuck Armstrong. We've got the 3 different bodies. We've got this picture here, we've got this, we've got the die cast here, the artwork here, and on the back we got the original image that they still use, the Chuck Armstrong. It's slightly annoying, but we got to get used to it. Maybe one day they'll accidentally add this one into a Thailand release, which would be quite cool. So yeah, if you ever see this, it's not an error, it's just how we've come to learn that Chuck Armstrong is the wrong mould on the back of his images. There is one Jonathan Wentworth in this case, not a new Thailand variant by all means, but yeah, he's still pretty cool. I mean, he was a new Thailand variant in 2023 and back again in 2025. Pretty nice Rusty's character, pretty cool stuff we could see there. And on the back, just him. And another Rusty's member back for 2025 was last released in 2023 singles case M or L, I believe, when it was only 1 per case. So that one became, so her 2023 card art with the dark red packaging became pretty hard to get hold of, and I've got like, I believe 2 of that one, so I'm good for her for now. Is Donna Pitts. So yeah, one of my favourite Thailand variants overall. We can see the artwork there. On the back of the packaging, we can see the original Chinese promo image. So that is the end of this, I guess, unboxing, sort of unboxing, fake unboxing. Comment down below which is your favourite car from this case. Mine is probably JW or Kyandee. Maybe even Christina Wheeland is my favourite as well. It's pretty close between the 3, but if I had to choose, it's between these 2, and if I have to cancel it down, it'll have to be probably Christina Wheeland, just because of the updated metallic paint looks so much more better. Anyways guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. More case unboxings coming soon. So until then, peace everybody.